Good morning, my babies. Mua, besitos. Saludos a todos. Ya empezamos. I'm back. Bueno, mis amores. Today we're going to start with science. We're going to read a little bit. Así que no lo van a tener que leerlo ustedes solitos. Yo lo voy a leer con ustedes, ¿ok? So let's begin. Page 294, ¿ok? Science chapter 3. Y comenzamos por aquí. Okay, chapter 13, the solar system and the universe. Okay, remember it's page 294 and 295. Y comenzamos. How do we explore the universe? The universe is a huge place. It includes everything that exists in space and time. Everything that includes in space, in the universe, it's Earth, planets, stars, and galaxies. So that means again, what does the universe include? Planets, stars, and galaxies. From the smallest particles of matter to the gigantic stars in the firmament, everything is part of the universe. Next paragraph. Astronomy. Astronomy is the science that studies the universe. And astronomers, these are the people that study astronomy, what do? They observe the universe and try to understand how it works. This is their job. They observe the universe and try to understand how it works. They ask how it was formed, how big is it, and how long it will last. To make their observations, astronomers use different methods depending on what they wish to investigate. And they can use the sight. When we're talking about sight, it means their eyes, ¿verdad? To observe the position of the stars, the moon, and the sun. Pero in order to see, ¿verdad? The stars, the moon, and the sun, they need an instrument for that. Dice they can also use other very interesting instruments. What type of instrument do they need to see the stars and the moon and the sun? Telescope. The telescope is an instrument that collects light and makes distant objects, distant objects son lo que están lejos. Distant objects, they look bigger. Much of what we know of the universe about the stars and planets come from the use of telescopes. Placing telescopes in space has been very useful to astronomers. Okay, and here in the picture we have one in space. This is a telescope, a gigantic telescope, and it's called the Hubble Space Telescope. What does it do? It sends photos of space to scientists from its orbit and around the Earth. Space telescopes avoid light pollution from cities and allow space to be seen without interference from Earth's atmosphere. In 1990, not so long ago, the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into orbit. In 1990, they put this telescope in space. Another type of telescope you may know is the radio telescope. This collects information from the radio waves emitted by the objects of space. One of the largest radio telescopes in the world is found in Puerto Rico in Arecibo. Another way to study celestial bodies, such as the moon or the planets, is to send space probes or robotic vehicles. This is a space probe, okay? It's a robot, and this robot was sent. The robotic vehicle sent photos of Mars and information about its rocks and climate. So they sent this robotic vehicle to Mars, okay? So they can study the planet of Mars. A space probe is a satellite or a vehicle that carries instruments to explore the solar system. These instruments take pictures and perform chemical investigations on the soil and atmosphere. Okay, now we're done reading this page. and you are going to answer 5 questions that I'm going to send the picture to you, okay?